I'm going to walk you through the process of opening the email and downloading the zipped folder, unzipping it, and then using Notepad to modify files. Let's begin. I've got my email open. I'm going to download the zipped folder. And so you'll see that it opens down here in the lower right of my browser. I'm going to right click on that file and choose Show in Folder. You'll see that it shows up in the Downloads folder of your computer's hard drive. I'm going to right click on that zipped folder. I'm going to choose Extract All. And now I'm going to browse to my Documents folder where I want to open that extracted file. So I'm going to click my Documents and select that folder and then Extract. It takes just a moment to extract the contents of that folder, and we see here now that that folder is right here. It says ITC Module 2, and you'll notice that it's in alphabetical order. So next I'm going to open that folder by double-clicking it. Here are your instructions for the module that you're going to be doing this 2-week period. And you also have a folder that will be your working folder for this module. Notice the name of the folder is your name _ M2. Each of you needs to rename this folder using your name. I'm going to right click the folder. So again, I'm going to right click the folder. I'm going to choose the rename option, and I'm going to rename it. Let's say that I'm Devin Roper. And so I've renamed that with Devin Roper's name, and now I'm going to open that folder, and it has all of the content that you're going to need for this module. You're going to be creating 4 web pages. I actually have templates for all 4 of the web pages here. And I'm going to begin by opening the index.html folder in this, or file in this folder, by double clicking it. So I'm simply going to double click index.html to open it in the default browser. Double click. And there we have the contents of the index.html file. You'll notice that there's an example link, there's an example image, and there's an example list that you'll need. Each of these things in the course of your finishing this module. So the examples are in the index.html page. And you'll notice that if I click this causes link, it takes me to the second page. So the link is working, the image is working, and the list is working. So now what we've got to figure out how to do is to edit these pages so that you get your content in each of the individual 4 pages. So I'm going to choose to edit the index.html page, and you'll use this process to open and edit all of the pages in this folder. We're going to start by right-clicking on index.html. We're going to choose the option Open With, and we want to open it with Notepad. Since I've opened several folders that have the HTML extension with Notepad, it's here in the options when I use Open With. But for you, you're going to need to choose another app option. So choose another app, find a notepad in this window that opens, select notepad and click OK. That file is now going to open in Notepad, and you can modify your HTML right here in Notepad. Make sure that once you've modified the file that you use File Save As or File Save, or you can use Control S on your computer keyboard to save your edited document. You'll be editing all 4 files in that folder to complete the assignment for this module. So, once you've finished editing all those pages in Module 2, you're going to zip your contents of that folder and send it to me. So real quickly, to zip Module 2, once it's completed, you're going to right-click Module 2. You're going to click Send To, and then Compressed Zip Folder. You'll notice that an ITC Module 2's .zip folder opens or is created here in the folder that you're working in. You're going to attach that folder to your submission email to submit the work for Module 2. You can replay this video as many times, stop, pause, whatever you need to do to make sure that you understand the instructions. Good luck with Module 2.